Hi everybody, my name is Shawntel Mendon, and the thing that I chose to do my assignment for the week on was a type of financial institution, which what I chose was a credit union. I was kind of curious how they differed from a commercial bank, which is what my husband and I use currently. So I went into a credit union called Sierra Central Credit Union in our area, and I found out some information. So, what types of services does this category of financial institutions offer? They offer checking, savings, money market accounts, CDs, loans, like a home mortgage or a car loan, credit cards, free minor accounts, which is accounts for children, and then high dividend savings accounts. And what kind of insurance do they have? They use NCUA, which is similar to the FDIC insurance, but it's for credit unions basically. And I think it has really similar type of insurance, which is basically they have $250,000 worth of coverage for a single person, and then an additional $250,000 for a dependent or another person on the account. So if you're married or if you have a child on your account or something like that. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this type of institution? So I was kind of curious, especially how it compared to like a commercial bank. And the guy I met with, his name was Joseph, he said that some of their benefits would be that they have this, let me see if I can show you guys. They have this tiered benefits program. So you can see here, oh, it's backwards. But so like for the first tier, it says liquid share and loan balances greater than $100,000 and a checking account, and the rewards would be a 0.25% share certificate rate increase, and then like a 1% signature loan rate discount, no charge or $5 discount off printed checks, no charge for cashier's checks, money orders, or traveler's checks. And so that's like tier 1, and it goes through several different tiers all the way up to tier 6, which is checking account. Well, I guess it kind of goes backwards because tier 1 is sort of the highest one. Tier 6 is the lowest, which is the checking account level service fee discount. So you have a direct deposit of $1,000 or more every month, you get their monthly service charge free, which is $4. If you maintain an average monthly balance of $1,000 or more, you get a $4 discount monthly. And if you use e-statements on your checking account, you get a $2 discount monthly. So it works out, I guess, actually to be like the free service. So yeah, they have all these different rewards for different tiers, whatever different things that qualify for their different tiers. And then I guess some of the commercial banks in our area support this like pipeline stuff that's been going on, and they don't support that as a credit union. So if you cared about the environment, if that's something you cared about, then maybe that might be something that would interest you. Let's see, you get 25% taken off of loan rates if you've been a member with them for 6 months or more. And they have mobile banking, which they offer, like you can take a picture of your check and then they'll deposit it through their mobile banking, which is pretty cool. A lot of places offer that, but I just thought that was kind of cool. Let's see, they have the largest ATM network. They said that credit unions offer a larger ATM network than any commercial bank. They have over 30,000 ATMs, and I didn't know this, but I guess that if you have a credit union and you are like out of town, say, and you need to get money out of an ATM, you can get money out of any other credit union's ATM and without paying your service fee, which is really cool. Because I guess it's just part of their like credit union network. So like, you know, if you're a member of the Sierra Central Credit Union and you decide to go to Golden One Credit Union to get money out, you're not going to get charged like $2 or whatever it is that a lot of places will charge you for using a different bank's ATM because they're in the same network. So I thought that was kind of cool, because that's, I think, what scares people away from credit unions sometimes. That's what kind of scared me away from it, was like, well, what if I'm out of town and I need to get money out? You know, I don't want to have to pay a fee every time I need to get money out, or if I need to go to the bank and they don't have one. So that's pretty cool. And he also said that you can use a lot of their services for free too. Sometimes not so much, but most of the time you can. So if you're out of town and you needed to go into your bank and you're at a credit union, you might be able to go to a different credit union and still get free services, or you might have to pay like a small fee, but it's not bad. One of the downsides for this particular credit union was that they don't have any like in-store branches. Like a lot of commercial banks have like a little branch in, say, like a Safeway or something, which the nice thing about that is that they're open on the weekend. So if there's like some type of banking you need to do over the weekend in person at the bank, you know, you could do that in one of those little branches. But this particular one doesn't have any branches in our area at any grocery stores or anything like that. And but, you know, there are other credit unions that do, so I guess if I had to, I could, you know, go into one of theirs and do some things. So I asked him why I should pick this institution over another institution, and he said that probably the biggest reason would be that they offer unbeatable loans. He said that they're like really well known for their loan rates there, and so I thought that was pretty cool. He said that pretty much even other banks, like people come in to get a loan, like a mortgage loan through them, and they'll send them over to this Sierra Central Credit Union because they have like unbeatable loan rates, which is pretty cool. They offer lower interest rates, and then also just the biggest ATM network, and they have lower, if not free, most of the time free monthly fees unless you don't qualify for any of their fee waivers, but most of the time he said they're free. So yeah, that's what I learned about their credit union. They had like a variety of different checking accounts and savings accounts, interest rates, and things like that. Just they were all kind of tiered depending on what your minimum deposit was, but you know, they didn't compare to like what I saw when we were doing the online investigating, but they were better than the commercial banks. So that's my presentation. Hopefully it was informative and not terribly too long. You guys have a good night. Bye.